Otaru is a port city in Hokkaido that lies northwest of Sapporo on Ishikari Bay. Otaru is known for its nostalgic influence of historic Western buildings and glass crafts, but there is also a spot that conveys the history of Japan from long ago. Otaru Canal was completed in the year 1923 when Japan had westernized. It was built to support shipping by boat to Hokkaido, which at the time was just developing. Nostalgic buildings from that time are still lined up alongside the canal.